and out. Nice. Other side. Deep breath in and out. Hello, this is Dr. Kennedy Pierce at Advanced Health Chiropractic, South Loop. So at Advanced Health, we specialize in relieving pain and restoring function so you can make the most of every day. With that being said, I have our rehab tech, Elijah, here with us today. He's going to tell you a little bit about why he likes to get adjusted and what that does for him day to day.
Yeah, hi, my name's Elijah. So I play soccer a lot, I work out every day, and as a result of that, I have been having a lot of back pain. Getting treated by Dr. Kennedy and the other doctors here is amazing, provides me a lot of relief, and just allows me to continue to perform at my highest level. So can't wait for the adjustment.
All right, so we're gonna do a full spine adjustment on Elijah, as well as do some instrument-assisted soft tissue in his low back, as well as his calves, and get his ankles adjusted as well. All right, so we're gonna start off by using the Arthostim, stimulating the joints, pre-adjustment. Palpating thoracic spine. Looking for those subluxations, fixations. All right, deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Good. All right, so we're gonna drop into Elijah's right SI joint. Good. All right, face me on your side this way. Deep breath in and out. Nice. Other side. Deep breath in and out. Good. On your back. Now I'm palpating cervical spine, again looking for those subluxations and fixations. Upper C's for Elijah. All right, Elijah, kick off your shoes and then raise your pant legs up. Hold on to the table. On your, actually do cat camel for, or child's pose for me. We're gonna do the soft tissue in the low back first. Pressure okay, Elijah?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now lay on your stomach. And we are also going to do the instrument-assisted soft tissue on his. Did we grasp in it last time, Elijah? Or? Manual?
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to do soft tissue on the calf manually. So we're going to start with this guy. Pressure okay?
Mm-hmm.
Couple more. Good. Same thing on the other side. All right, so whether it's back pain, headaches, or sport injuries, our tailored treatments are designed just for you. If you have any of the pain similar to Elijah, schedule a new patient appointment on our website, and we'll see you in the next one.